Hi guys, so my parts just arrived. I've been waiting for them for like 2 months and I didn't find any information on how to do it, so I've managed to figure it out. It's quite simple, but I want to show you how it's done. This is the Command Link mechanical kit with the 704 Binnacle, premium Binnacle, and with the 6YC gauge. This is the kit, so it comes with all these parts. It comes with two hubs. One is for the back and one is for the front. Very easy. The plugs are very easy to fit, and the engine cables. So basically how this works, this is the keys, because this is the twin engine one. Basically how this works is you plug these two to each engine, one for each engine, and it goes on device. Okay, so this hub stays on the back, and then you connect the bus, which is a similar cable but it's long, and this goes all the way to the front of the boat, and it connects to the bus in the front bit. And in the front, that's where you connect the keys and the gauge and the command link as well. And the command link connects to this, and the 704 connects to this ones, to the engine cables as well. It's very simple. It comes with the manual in many languages, and it comes with the keys that go in here, some spare to close up the spare on the hub, and it comes with the end parts of the acceleration cables. I still have the old cables, acceleration cables from the old one, and I have the 704 but the old one, so I'm gonna start taking all of this off. You see it's all the old ones, and you know, it's a right old mess because I bought this boat and it was already like this. There's a lot of things that have been done, a lot of plugs missing and things done, I think, well, not the right way, but so, well, first step is start removing the old ones, and now this is more or less connected already, so I just need to pass on the cables to the right spots, remove the old ones, and that's it. Now on this side you just have to unplug the old cables, which is this one. Maybe push them a little bit so you have some maneuvering. Maybe, yeah, take them out so you have some space. So each engine is, at least on my one, these are the old cables, and I'll show you where the new cables go. So this one takes a little bit of a challenge, but these other ones you just use your finger to pull the lever up and you push them out. Try not to use too much force. Lever up. Should be pretty easy. This one is a bit tougher. So
just put the plastic bit first, and then gently just wiggle. Pushing the command cables. straight to the engine.
Now I've attached one of the cables that goes to the front with one of the engines, the cables from one engine. So still removing the old ones, the keys and the ignitions. Now I'm gonna start removing the binnacle. To remove the binnacle, you have this cover, you unscrew the cover, then you pull this plastic cover up and you unscrew it up and down. Funny thing is that putting the cables through all the way to the front is probably the hardest part of this process. So this one is here, so I'm gonna put the on bus. It's the one that goes all the way to this one in the front. So then it's gonna be hidden here where the battery is in these two cables. They each gonna connect to the engine. One is longer than the other. Choose wisely which one to put, and that's this part done. So this resin grey comes all the way from the hub to this one. Just unplug this cover. Plug it in. Done. Now the main one, just plug in here. The old one was here, so I'll put just a safe. This fits right in there. And this one. And this one. There's this one. In here. Okay. No, this one, which is not easy. I just started opening. So I've put the other one, and this is throttle and this is shift. Then you put the clip on each with the rubber in the middle, a little rubber cable, and then you close. Power trim sensor wasn't showing on the 6YC, wasn't showing the level if it was up or down. It was blinking, but the power trim was working. So I called a friend and he showed me this. You have to connect these two, they're separate when you buy the engines, but when you put this kit you plug them in together, and that's it. It's the sensor for the power trim. That everything is plugged in, I'm gonna start the process of, well, I'm gonna remove this so it doesn't get dusty. I'm gonna start cutting so I fit all of the key bits and the 6YC in the right spot. The keys are here, but they need a big hole in this one. Oh, I have to find a way to make it look nice. Started cutting, and here's a good tip I just found out, because I was trying to drill, and because the drill rotates really fast, a lot of fiberglass starts flying, and I hate fiberglass. So I'm using this Bosch multifunction tool, and this is great because since it doesn't rotate much, just wiggles left to right, there's almost any dust around. So this is a good tip for likes to do fiberglass work and doesn't want to be scratching all night. So I'm gonna open this one now, and you can cut really straight lines. So it's almost done. Just this bit needs to be fixed, but well, will be enough for now. 704 Binnacle, 6YC gauge, and it's all new, brand new. So now you just turn the key, and it has all the info. You have all the menus. I still need to come and play a little bit with this. Tells the flow. I still need to connect the tank meter so I know how much petrol I have. I still haven't done that. Okay, good, all working. When I turn to the next engine, it shows the battery and all that. The powertrain is working. So everything is connected now. I still need to arrange better the cables, but on the 6YC you'll notice there's a little cable like this. I'm not sure what the other ones do, but this pink and black one are the ones for the tank. So the fuel tank indicator, you plug them here. So yeah, I think that's the last bit. Okay, hope you enjoyed, guys. Bye bye.